Hey y'all, welcome back to another episode of Lake Living in Alabama. I'm your host Jason Will, real estate broker with Blueprint Realty Company. And in this episode, we are going to be featuring yet another one of Lake Life Living and Rentals premier vacation rental properties on Lake Martin. They've got like a stacked inventory of unique vacation rentals. Like, they pride themselves on building an inventory of vacation rentals on the lake that have some unique quality, some unique feature, something you're not going to find anywhere else. And Dockside Haven does not disappoint. This is such a cool property. One of the main reasons I love it is that it is pet friendly. So I do not want to go on vacation, at least locally, without my dog. And this one has steps that the dog can get into the water, or it's got its own boat launch ramp that makes it really easy for both kids, younger kids, and pets to access the lake. You know, it can be a little scary, but I love the position of this property. It's kind of in this little inlet, but it's got this maintains this big water view, which is key. The other features I love are just a complete abundance of outdoor living space. You've got screened living space outside. You've got covered outdoor living space galore. You've got a big lakeside patio that's got tables and chairs. I mean, you could entertain a bunch of folks here, get the grills going. It's got a TV mounted, so for movie night or game day, you're all set up. So an abundance of outdoor living space, an open floor plan, and it sleeps 14. This is an amazing property, so I hope you guys will enjoy this video tour. And as always, if you come to Lake Martin, you fall in love like so many people do, and you want to put down some roots, you want to have your own vacation rental property, you want to buy a vacation rental property and have Lake Life Living and Rentals manage it because you know they're one of the best on the lake, give me a call, 251-583-9728. And to start shopping right now for your ideal lake house on Lake Martin, just go to lakemartinlistings.com. Again, that's lakemartinlistings.com. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy this tour of Dockside Haven. All right, y'all, welcome inside. I don't know about you, but I certainly appreciate a lake house that looks like a lake house. And as I walk through the front door, I'm like, wow, this has got like mountain cabin vibes. And then I turn around and I'm like, bam, I want big windows and a big lake view to remind me of where I'm at, one of the greatest vacation spots in all of America. All right, let's talk lay of the land here. We have got 3 bedrooms here on the main level, primary suite with ensuite bath here to my right. To my left, we've got a bunk room. On the back side of the house, lake side of the house, we've got a guest bedroom with a beautiful lake view, got a full bath in between. Now below, there is a separate private apartment. So that is ideal if you're bringing like the grandparents with you, or maybe another family, somebody that needs maybe a little added privacy. They've got a bedroom, living room, full bathroom, little kitchenette set up right there. And gosh, wait till we go down there, because literally you sit up in bed and you're greeted by a wall of windows with that view. I mean, what a special treat for whoever gets to enjoy that space downstairs. All right, let's keep going. All right, y'all, really spacious primary king suite here on the main level, just off that great room space. You've got access to the screened-in porch. To my right, you've got your ensuite bath with dual vanities. All right, so Dockside Haven sleeps 14. This bunk room with this queen-size bed is a big reason for that. So we've got plenty of space for heads and beds. So we're gonna invite all the family, all the friends, and we've got room for everybody to sleep comfortably here in this amazing vacation rental on Lake Martin. All right, just a quick look at the lakeside guest room on this main level here. We've got 2 full-size beds. So again, we're just maximizing the space to create a comfortable sleeping environment for as many guests as we can pack in here, because the more, the merrier when you're at the lake. Welcome to the basement level apartment. As you can see, it is so well done, just tastefully decorated, just feels like newly renovated and modern. But you got this spacious living room where the camera's positioned. You've got the little kitchenette right there, sink, mini fridge. You could set up a Keurig, all that good stuff. Look at this bathroom. I'm going to take you in there and show you the walk-in shower. King suite right here with walk-in closet. And then my favorite part is this whole these windows extend the whole length of this basement and just drawing you in to this incredible view. So gosh, whoever gets to stay in this section of the house is in for a special treat. So many great features here at Dockside Haven. I mean, I love the fact that there's TVs everywhere, but I mean, having a screened-in porch, in my opinion, is a must. Of course, it's covered. We can get out of the sun after we've had enough, but I don't know if you're like me. I mean, if there's a bug to bite or to be bitten by, I'm gonna get bit by it. So having a screened in area is like so key for me. But man, another great spot. I mean, you could have games going inside, outside, the grill's smoking, we've got kids swimming. I mean, this has just got so many cool amenities that I just absolutely appreciate so much. Alrighty, I hope you've enjoyed your tour of the inside. Now it's my favorite part. We're going to explore all these outdoor amenities, which, I mean, it is abundant as all get out. And then we're going to find out firsthand why they call this place Dockside Haven. All right, we're going to start lakeside down here by the dock and then work our way up. All right, y'all, having stuff on site that you can use means less stuff that you have to bring. For example, I'm checking into an Airbnb later today. I should have rented this one because this one is pet friendly and I don't go anywhere without my dog, which some of you out there know. I also have to bring my own lily pad and floats and things like that. Well, here we've got a storage shed here that is just full of life jackets, fishing poles, floaties, all the things that you could possibly need to enjoy this lakefront setting here. Come inside and let's take a look. Got the sun chairs set up for the ladies. Nice long pier. Look at that. Pet steps or kid steps down to the water. That is super nice and very, very needed. That's going to come in handy. Got a big boat parking space here. If you're renting a boat and keeping it overnight, or just using it during the day. And then the Haven is this. You've got a big, big water view, but you've got this very chill little inlet right here where you don't have to worry about all that main traffic congestion and hustle and bustle, all the noise. It's just you, some tunes, the fam, and a good time. All right, let's make our way around here. Another good spot for dogs to get in, get a drink of water, just cool off on their own. And then you've got this boat ramp right here. So if you're bringing your jet skis, you're bringing your own boat, you can put it in and pull it out right here on site, which is an incredible amenity in my opinion. I do not want to have to fight a boat launch at the end of the day. Gosh, what a beautiful setting. dedicated fire pit is a must in my opinion. And I love the location of this one. Little elevated location here to really accentuate that view. We got multiple covered, and we've got a screened in porch above us. But this is a great place for folks that are staying in the basement apartment. It's a great spot for them to enjoy their coffee in the morning or a cocktail in the evening. But look at this party pad. Got the big screen TV, the grill, tons of seating and dining area. With this view as the backdrop, this is going to be a great place to hang out with family and friends after a long day on the water, but also picturing this being a great spot. I mean, this is an ultimate spot for SEC football Saturdays. Got the convenience of an outdoor shower here. Just kind of spray off as you come up from the lake, and then check out this hilarious sign. I'm gonna have to get one of those. I'm going to sign off here lakeside. I hope you've enjoyed this tour of Dockside Haven. I think this is a special place. I mean, I know your dogs are going to love it, so I know mine loves it. Just easy access to the water for the pets is just crucial, but especially if you're bringing little kids, you know, who aren't ready to like jump off the swim platform quite yet. So just having a way for them to kind of ease in to the lake is really, really important. But man, just look at this view. You're going to enjoy your vacation here so much, and I'm excited for you to do so. And I'm grateful that you allowed this video to be the catalyst for your introduction to Lake Martin vacation rental that maybe you hadn't known about before. So I hope this puts Dockside Haven on your radar. You rent it. I know you're going to have a good time. That's taken care of already. All you got to do is book it, and the rest is just, you know, kind of on autopilot with this location, these amenities, everything this property has going for it. Now, what I hope in the long term, that you come here, you stay here, you fall in love with Lake Martin like so many people do, and that you reach out to me when you're ready to start looking for your own place, whether that be a vacation rental, a second home, a primary residence, whatever the case may be. We can help you find that ideal investment here on the lake. Just go to lakemartinlistings.com. That's lakemartinlistings.com. And you can see all the properties here that are listed in the MLS on Lake Martin. And then when you've got questions, you're ready to see a property, I mean, listen, you're not going to bother me. So just blow my phone up with questions, call or text 251-583-9728. Hey, thank you so much for watching to the end. Watch time is crucial. It's so vital for this video reaching as many folks as possible. So thank you so much for watching to the end. You've really helped me in my business, and I greatly appreciate your support. We'll see you soon on the next episode of Lake Living in Alabama.